Hey guys, if you've been wondering how to create a UTM link for your business, this is exactly how we're going to do it. It takes less than 60 seconds, and you'll be able to track where your traffic is coming from and which buckets are the most important to keep putting attention to for your business. We're over here into Google's campaign URL builder, and I'm just going to take my latest blog post and I'm just going to put that here, and I'm just going to put that there. And then we're going to come down here to the campaign source. With the campaign sources, it's who sent them. Is it Facebook? Is it Google? Is it your newsletter? Like, what exactly sent them to you? And then we're going to put in here, because I'm going to share this on Facebook, I'm going to put Facebook. And then down here in the campaign medium, it's going to be which of those larger methods or mediums are sending you the traffic. And so is it social as a whole? Is it paid ads as a whole? Is it, is it email marketing in general? Is it QR codes? Those specific things. So that way you can actually track what is coming into your website. Your campaign source, that's like one little bitty part of the puzzle. But the campaign medium is like that bigger box that those sources fit inside of. And so really you can get an idea over time of like what is the biggest traffic generators for your business, so you can put more of your investments back into that to keep going and moving that needle forward. And so here for campaign medium, I'm going to put social. And then we're going to go down here and we're going to see that it's already generated that link for us. And then if we want to shorten the link, we can click that. You'll sign into Bitly, and it will just go ahead and shorten it for you. And you'll see right here, it gives you a shortened URL. But from here, we're going to take this and put it into an Excel spreadsheet. So that way we can actually keep track of the UTM links that we've created for our business, and in case we want to share those at later dates. So that way we don't have to create something new every time. We're just going to continue to use this one blog post. If I'm sharing it to Facebook, it's going to have this link. If I'm sharing it to Instagram, it's going to have another link, so forth and so on. But that you can see exactly how easy it is. And there are all of these other ones here, like ID and campaign name and all that other stuff that you can use. If you go down here, it actually explains all of them in further detail, but we only need to actually use 2 of them, and that's what keeps it short and sweet and to the point. And that's it. So that's it for UTM links. If you want to learn more about why UTM links are important for your business and a step-by-step guide with other ways to create them, you can check out the blog post that'll be in the description. And then also, if you want to learn more about Google Analytics, I'll put that link in the description as well. If you haven't started using Google Analytics yet, that's okay. You can start doing that today, and you can just start seeing which buckets are bringing in that traffic for your business. So that way you can start fresh today and see the progress moving forward. Make sure that you like and subscribe so that way I can show you more SEO tips.